Swings are back. Let's talk about swing trading in the context of finding zones and expecting exhaustion to continue. What does that even mean? Well, let's take a look at gold, because on Tuesday, we talked about a gold setup where if price would sink down into a layer of support, we would then expect price to bounce from there, much like a ball hitting the floor. And this is exactly what's happening on the daily chart of gold. You can see this right in here. Two floors, actually. One is the Darvis 2.0, the other is the DPMR. The idea behind this kind of move to the downside is that other traders are following the momentum. Exhaustion traders are looking for an opportunity to buy options cheaper, to get a better price for better risk management, to find a layer from which price has bounced before. And that's exactly what we're seeing here on gold. Now, if you want to know what this looks like, NVDA is a perfect example. It doesn't matter the symbol. It doesn't really matter at all if it's futures or ETFs or stocks, because historical volatility is less about the symbol and it's more about price character or price patterns, the character of price patterns, just repeating. That's really what it is. What does price usually do? Recognize the pattern and then just repeat that. Well, take a look at NVIDIA. You can see a few of these already having worked. Let's talk about the most recent right in here. This was actually specifically around 3 p.m., so just after 3 p.m., the 3 p.m. 1 hour candle on NVIDIA, which sunk right down into, you guessed it, this nice zone of support. And then the expectation, like the previous 3 times, was for follow through to the upside. That's what we're talking about on gold. Now, there are some structural differences between the two. NVIDIA is in a really good uptrend. Check out an update of the Countdown Trader coming at you likely next week. And we'll talk about why you're losing as a trader. Why are trades not being as consistent? And that's going to be market structure. So just pointing it out here, we've got a neutral market on gold. It is an oversold buy. It is a great setup, but not as good as finding uptrending structure and buying essentially those dips like we did on NVIDIA, using the 1 hour chart, using the daily price movement range, and relying on support to hold. And by the way, you can see how consistent the support's been on gold. I'll see you all in the next update. Keep an eye on gold, keep an eye on continuation, and you can join me also for Charts and Coffee every morning, 9 a.m. at the Simpler Trading YouTube channel. Great way to catch up on what we're doing in the Simpler Futures Room, as well as in the Sector Secrets Mastery. I'll see you in the next update. Hey traders, Raghee from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.